No, I don't think I've been recording.
Lovely. Go. Can I have a bit more of something? You can have.
There's some black beans there if you want it.
Is it very spicy?
It's medium. It's not very spicy, no.
Can you put a bit of rice on there?
We must do it justice.
Oh, we must. Right. Whatever Auntie Claire's eating. Could you put a bit of the black bean on?
Oh, that's a good girl. You got about 3 grains of that rice. Shoveled a mountain full in. Oh, good girl.
She's got the knack.
Very good
Not one
girl.
thing
She does.
because it's very hot. Okay.
Good girl.
It's not very hot, black bean.
It's quite hot. She'll like it. Don't push it off the plate. That's a bit naughty.
She hasn't got that control yet.
Yum, yum, yum.
How about this? No?
Nice bit of carrot.
You're very broccoli, aren't you? Like a little motor.
What's this? This is
Sweet back here.
sour pork.
Nice smile.
And wave.
You're eating like a big girl, aren't you?
You are. A very big girl.
Good Lord! There's going to be nothing left for Auntie Claire.
Yum.
Yummy mummy. Let's have a look at this.